In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Facebook Marketplace. If Marketplace has disappeared from your account, follow along and we'll work through the most effective fixes in order. Start by confirming it's truly gone and not just hidden. Open Facebook and use the search bar to look for Marketplace. Then open the menu, the three horizontal lines, and see if Marketplace appears there. If it's missing in both places, continue with the next checks. Now verify your account's eligibility. Marketplace may be unavailable if your account is new, you're under 18, there were policy violations, or your account was flagged for suspicious activity. To see if Facebook has sent you any notices, open the menu, go to Support Inbox, and look for warnings or restrictions related to Marketplace. If you see one, you'll need to follow Facebook's guidance there. Next, turn off any VPN, proxy, or private DNS services. These often cause Marketplace to disappear. Disable the VPN or proxy, turn off private DNS if you use it, then fully close and restart the Facebook app before checking again. Make sure location services are enabled because Marketplace requires location access. On your phone, go to Settings, open Location, find Facebook, and set it to allow while using the app. Ensure location is turned on system-wide, then restart the Facebook app. Update the Facebook app to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store or the App Store, update Facebook, and then reopen it. Outdated versions can hide Marketplace automatically. If you're on Android, clear the app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Facebook, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Reopen Facebook afterward. Avoid clearing data unless it's absolutely necessary because that can log you out and remove saved settings. Refresh your session by logging out and back in. Open the menu, choose Log Out, wait 30 to 60 seconds, then sign in again and check Marketplace. If it vanished suddenly, a reinstall can help. Uninstall Facebook, restart your phone, reinstall the app, log back in, and check Marketplace again. Try Facebook in a browser next. Open facebook.com in Chrome or Safari, sign in, and click Marketplace. If it appears in the browser, but not in the app, it's an app issue. If it's missing everywhere, it's likely an account issue. If your account was restricted, request a review. Go to Menu, Help and Support, report a problem, choose Marketplace, clearly explain that Marketplace disappeared, and note there are no recent violations if that's accurate. Submit and wait. Responses typically take 3 to 14 days. Finally, if your account is new, Marketplace